Alright, so welcome to today's Unikernel application spotlight video. Today we're going to go over Memos, running it as a nanos unikernel. So Memos is this interesting, rather new, but extremely popular open source, self-hosted note-taking software. Might remind you of Notion. Now, I know a lot of people that use Notion. People seem to really like it. However, one of the things that this has that Notion doesn't is the idea of being privacy first. It's self-hosted. It really embraces data sovereignty. Perhaps you're in a country that you can't use Notion in. Perhaps you just don't trust Notion. There's lots of different reasons why you might want to use this. And in terms of popularity, I don't know how this got so popular so fast. But yeah, like 30,000 stars, 3.5 million Docker pulls. It's picked up quite a bit of traction. So we naturally thought it belonged as a unikernel. So if you search for Memos, pop in here, you can go ahead and grab the package. I'm gonna go ahead and flip over the shell here, and we can just kind of load it up. Let's do our Arch AMD64. And so as you can see, it just instantly pops up with some nice little ASCII art here. 129 is our IP. We're gonna go ahead and I think it's 8081. All right, so first time I'm running in this, I need to go ahead and create my login password. I'm just gonna use the good old standby Bob and Bob, and we can start taking thoughts. So I have some thoughts about running Memos as a nanos unikernel, right? You could even do some hashtaggery, like something like this, right? And we hit save, and now our tags work, and we can go down to settings. You can see, at first blush, this seems like a pretty basic app. But as you can see, they already have things like SSO. If you want to use Keycloak, we already have a Keycloak unikernel, so you can just kind of compose that away. Storage, you can pick your, whatever you want to use. Memo, other system settings that you can use. Memo, set your users, that sort of stuff. Preferences, you can pick your language. You can start speaking Italian if you want. All that good stuff. This is all in a pretty small package, by the way. This is a whopping 14 megabytes. So this is pretty small for what it's packed here. So I'm happy about that. Anyways, this nice little Notion alternative, running as a unikernel, and that's today's unikernel application spotlight. Catch you later.